we go. Oh my goodness. Right off the rip. Big old beautiful purple potato just rolled out. All right. Oh my goodness. Look at the size of these things, guys. This is very, very nice, guys. Beautiful. What's up, soil brothers and soil sisters? Guys, if you're new to the channel, I am Bobby, one half of Black's Tropical Homestead. I'm the #1 soil brother. My wife, Sherry, soil sister. Today, we want to talk about growing and raising your food in a small space. If you live someplace that only have patios, or you have a very small yard, that you still can grow and raise your own food. And one such thing is growing potatoes. All right, so today, it's probably been about a right amount of time for us to go ahead and harvest what we have been growing inside our 5-gallon buckets. All right, so with growing this way, you know, you're gonna have to figure out the best way to do it to get the best yield that you can get. Some years gonna be better than others, but you will definitely get more food than you actually put in. So if you put 1 potato in that bucket, you're gonna get at least 5 potatoes more than likely. So you are winning, and you're getting all the benefits of growing and learning how to grow at the same time. The therapy that you get from actually watching something progress from nothing to something is all there. All right, so y'all might have seen my wife actually sit there and put those potatoes in them buckets, and we're gonna go through harvesting what we was able to get from growing our potatoes, and hopefully you'll see a benefit in growing yourself. So guys, as y'all can see, we have 5 buckets here, and you can see the plants inside the buckets are not looking all too good, you know, which is telling me it is time for us to harvest. All right, so we have an assortment of different kind of potatoes inside these buckets. So these potatoes came from our last harvest, and what we did is took some of the ones that we weren't going to eat and allowed them to start shitting. And we then put those potatoes in the buckets to grow more potatoes. All right, so we did that. You could do it also. And like I said, this is for small space growing. If you don't have much space, you like potatoes, hey, why not grow them yourself? All right, don't take much. 5-gallon bucket with some holes in it, some soil, and some potatoes. All right, fam, so this is going to be our first bucket. One thing I love about harvesting potatoes, it's almost like a treasure hunt. You know, I even love watching other people, you know, harvest their potatoes, because you never know what you're going to get. And just searching through that soil and pulling out those nuggets is always exciting to me. So, what y'all think? Am I going to have a good harvest or not so good harvest? I'm good with either one. I prefer a good harvest, but being able to grow these things is amazing all in itself. So let's see what we got. This is the first bucket. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. Man, I see an amazing amount of potatoes in this bucket. So we did excellent. We did excellent, guys, already, and I haven't even gotten through. Wow. My goodness. These are red potatoes in here. And look at the size of these things, guys. If y'all can remember, the potatoes we put in there were small, and there was only a few of them. And already we have topped it. Oh, My goodness, look at that. Guys, look how big that thing is. Man. Got one little baby here. Wow. Like I said, guys, treasure hunt. And this is one of the seed potatoes, guys. As you can see, that's all we put in the ground. And all the amazing. Ooh. Wow. So guys, quite frankly, if this is all I got out of the 5 buckets, I would be satisfied with that. That is amazing harvest for nothing. Couple of little seed potatoes, and we got all these humongous potatoes. I love this stuff, guys. I love it. It is amazing. Well, all right, fam. So let's see what bucket number 2 produces for us. Look at there. Oh my goodness. Wow, guys. Wow. Come on now. Come on. Who don't have room for a 5-gallon bucket? Who said they don't have enough room to grow their own food? Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. These red potatoes, my wife absolutely loves them. So she is going to be really excited to see all these potatoes. Wow. Look at here. And she loved the small ones. Oh my goodness. Softball size, guys. Softball size. This is amazing, guys. Amazing. We're not gonna let none of those little nuggets get passed by. We got to have them all. Thank you. Amazing, guys. So far, so good. That's a lot of potatoes. Hey, fam. So here goes our 3rd bucket. What y'all think? What y'all think? I don't know. Let's see. Oh my goodness. So we have some purple potatoes here. So this is our first purple potato. Another red. Some more purple. Beautiful, beautiful. Another red here. That's a beautiful purple potato there. You see, like we starting to get some ants in this one, so I think we harvest this one right on time. So the bugs are starting to trying to eat on our potatoes, but these are still beautiful. These are beautiful potatoes, guys. Man, this is amazing. And these were some very small purple potatoes that we started out with. purple. Oh, here come another purple. Another purple. Some tiny ones. All right. Man, that was pretty good, guys. I mean, it wasn't as many as one of the buckets before, but it did produce some beautiful, nice size purple potatoes, and I'm excited with that. All right, fam, so this is the fourth bucket. I'm not sure what kind these are. It looks similar to the purple potatoes, but we're about to find out. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Right out the rip. Big old beautiful purple potato just rolled out. All right. Oh my goodness. Look at the size of these things, guys. This is very, very nice, guys. Beautiful. Look at there. Look at here. Look at here. Look at here. Look at here. That is a really nice purple potato. This thing is loaded. This thing is loaded with potatoes. Oh my goodness, look at here. Just more and more potatoes. This is crazy. That is beautiful. All right. Is there any more? Oh, there's one here. Look at it, guys. Y'all can't tell me this is not exciting. This is very, very exciting. This is a treasure hunt. Like, you never know what you're going to get. You put your seeds down in the best soil that you can find for them. Nice, rich, loamy soil. Then we put some bone meal and some blood meal in there to start them off. Water them in, and we let it go. We let it go. Set it and forget it. All right, fam. So last but not least, number 5. What y'all think? What y'all think? Oh my goodness. This thing just exploded with purple potatoes. Oh my. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This thing has done amazing. Oh my. Look at, oh my goodness. Potatoes everywhere, guys. Everywhere. This might be our champion bucket. Best for last? Wow, look at here. Look at here. Man. This is crazy. Look how beautiful that is, guys. That is absolutely amazing. Wow. little salt. So we're gonna leave that. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put them all in my little bucket here. Treasure hunt, guys. Wow, guys. This is impressive, guys. Impressive. You know, I'm sure there are better harvesters than this, but man, this is a really, really good harvest with some really nice sized potatoes. And guess what, guys? I know exactly what it took for me to grow these. I know what's been put on them. I know that there's no kind of extra chemicals that was used for me to have these potatoes. So I'm gonna feel completely comfortable when me and my wife partake in enjoying these potatoes. And I ain't gotta worry about no preservatives or nothing. No chemicals that were sprayed to keep any bugs away. No chemicals they used to stop them from sprouting. None of that stuff. Just good old-fashioned healthy food that was grown right here, Black's Tropical Homestead. And guys, if you got a small space, 5-gallon bucket. I'm telling you guys, nobody got a space so small they can't put 5-gallon bucket. Put as many of them as you need. So if you don't remember what my wife did to plant these potatoes, go back and check out that video. Pretty simple. You can do it. All right, fam. So a beautiful day and a beautiful harvest. Man, I feel so blessed, and I'm glad that you was able to join me today while we did a little bit of harvesting of potatoes. Guys, if you live in a small space, you have enough space for 5-gallon buckets. So if you want to grow your own food, grow it. Don't use no excuses like you don't have the, you waiting to get your land or you waiting to get this much property. You can do it. You can grow it on your balcony. You can grow it on your front porch. You can grow it. All you have to do is want to do it. Guys, till the next time.